Typescript is defined as a superset of JavaScript, which means it behaves identical to JavaScript but with extra stuff added on. The language hasn't been around too long but is already quite popular in dev community. TypeScript is, for example, we have type safety. I can write a variable like this. It will work. But when I assign a string to this variable, it will give an error. You see the error here as well, not at all here. But TypeScript is able to detect the type of the variable. But it's also possible to define any type. That means we can assign anything to this variable. Let me compile this first. It is working. I can assign a number to this variable, for example 1 or 2. This will work. It is also possible to define other variables, for example my number is a number and it is equals to 22. My string is a string and equals to some string, and my Boolean variable is type of Boolean, it's true. And you can define arrays, for example my number array is type of number, and it has 3 elements. Sorry, I made a mistake here. That must be like this. There is also another way for defining arrays. We can also use, for example, array, and we can define any type here. For example, if I want to have an array of type number, I can define it like this. It will have the same number of elements, let's say 3, 4, 5, and let's compile this. As you can see, it's working as well. Let's try to make invalid assignments. For example, I will assign a string to my number. I see the failure here, but I will try to compile this. It is not working, it is giving an error. I will do the same for my string. I will assign a number here. There's a failure here as well, but I will compile. Yes, it's not working. I will assign a number to Boolean variable. It is not working as well. As you can see, TypeScript is type safe. Let's compile it again. Yes, it's working now.